Happy 2019! Latte here, our studio mascot, and I would like to wish you a fantastic and awesome 2019 ahead of you. Today, I've got amazing news to share with you. But before that, I'd like to take this opportunity to say thank you to each and every one of you for your subscription on our channel, for your love of our tutorials, and also your great feedbacks. And now, the good news. The good news is this year, 2019, I promise you that I'm going to be putting in more time and effort to make more videos that you love on photography and movie making here on YouTube. In fact, we have started filming, and these are the impressive videos that we can't wait to share with you. Take a look at them. In today's episode, Emma and we're going to find out once and for all which of these diffusers here is best used when you have your hot shoe flash on your camera, on TTL, and nowhere to bounce. Let's find out.
Let's find out.
No, you stay here. I go find out. You model first. Use your 50mm lens. It's my favorite lens for a few reasons. I've been known to do portrait shoots with only one lens, and your range of f number can go from f1.8 right up to 22. So you can change your f number to a very wide range. Viewer Ankush Gupta wrote in and say, "Thank you, very informative video." Thank you, Ankush. My question is, if I'm shooting a portrait of a person with dark or brown eyes, wouldn't my exposure be affected if I'm also using spot meter and focusing at the... To answer this question, we need a model with beautiful big brown eyes. Viewers, meet our model, Emma Alvarez. In the next episode, we're gonna be covering the top 10 unethical things to do as a photographer. In the previous episode, you learned how to turn your camera to aperture priority correctly. You learned how to trick the camera with the auto ISO. You learned how to set the minimum shutter speed. Let's take this further. In this episode, I will teach you how you can stick a flash to your camera and shoot really fast. I want my camera to be always negative, perhaps -1 in my case. Is because of famous 5-1 rule, which says that with aperture priority auto ISO, let me show you why this is good. And you get consistent lighting every time, making the subject brighter in every shot.